Welcome, today we're going to show you how to stream Mobile Legends in Facebook. So, the first thing that you need to have is a laptop PC. After that, you need to download some emulator like Nox Player, or you can download BlueStacks or any other emulator that you have faith in to run Mobile Legends. So, you can go to Google Play. After that, you need to search for Mobile Legends and download it and see if it runs smoothly with you with this emulator and download it from here. As see, here's Mobile Legends, you can just download it. After that, you need to go to OBS, you need to have OBS installed. So I actually record and stream using OBS. So from here you need to go to File, and then you need to click on Settings. Now you need to go to Streaming, and you need to choose Facebook Live. As see from here, choose Facebook Live. After that, you need to get Ustream key. So go to Facebook Live settings, get Ustream key, don't show it to anybody, and then from here you can just paste the stream key from here. After that, hit apply and OK, and now you can just start streaming from here by clicking on start streaming. So that's it. Thank you for watching and see you in the next videos.